Exciting science experiment for kids. Introduction. In this exciting experiment, we will create a magical swirling effect on the surface of milk using everyday ingredients. It's a fantastic opportunity for kids to explore the properties of surface tension and learn about chemical reactions while creating beautiful patterns. Get ready for some colorful science. Materials you will need: a shallow dish or plate, whole milk, enough to cover the bottom of the dish. Liquid food coloring, different colors, dishwashing soap, cotton swabs. Procedure. Pour enough whole milk into the shallow dish to cover the bottom. Add drops of different liquid food coloring to the milk, spreading them out in various spots. Dip a cotton swab into the dishwashing soap, making sure it is coated but not dripping. Carefully touch the soapy cotton swab to the milk surface in the center of one of the food coloring drops. Observe the mesmerizing reaction as the colors begin to swirl and dance. Explanation. This experiment demonstrates the science behind surface tension and the reaction between the soap and the fat molecules in milk. Milk contains proteins and fats that create surface tension, which is disrupted by the dish soap. As the soap spreads across the surface, it breaks the surface tension, causing the milk and food coloring to move and create colorful swirls and patterns. Safety tips. Ensure adult supervision throughout the experiment. Be cautious while handling the dish soap and food coloring to prevent stains and spills. Remind kids not to touch their faces or eyes during the experiment. The Magic Milk experiment is a visually stunning and educational activity that will leave kids amazed and excited about science. Don't forget to film the experiment, capture the vibrant swirls, and share the video with friends. Do comment on this video about your experience.